So guys, check this out. My fog light is now functioning, brand new one. Also this one. So I'm gonna go back there in Otsubay to have my, what's this? This one. I shouldn't take off for this one. The wiper on the back. So happy guys, oh my gosh, I am so happy very much. Fabricate, it's fabricate for the next, for the last one. Shafting fabricate. Oh my gosh. Oh no, wow. Oh, hold on. Oops. Wait lang. Hold on. Bye for now.